How to queue songs on YouTube TV. YouTube TV primarily focuses on live TV and recorded shows, but if you're using the YouTube app on your TV, you can easily queue songs into a playlist. Follow these steps to build a music queue. Method number 1, queue songs using the YouTube app on TV. Step number 1, open the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app, not YouTube TV, on your smart TV or streaming device. Step number 2, search for a song. Use the search icon represented by a magnifying glass and enter the name of the song or music video. Step number 3, add to queue. Highlight the song in the search results. Press the options button on your remote or tap more options on screen. Select add to queue or play next if available. Step number 4, view the queue. Press the up arrow or open the queue panel depending on your TV interface. Your selected songs will be listed and playback will continue in the order added. Method number 2, queue songs using a mobile device, cast to TV. Step number 1, open the YouTube app on mobile. Launch the YouTube app on your smartphone or tablet. Step number 2, connect to TV. Tap the cast icon in the upper right corner. Select your TV or streaming device. Step number 3, add songs to the queue. Search for a song or music video in the app. Tap the options menu next to the song. Choose add to queue or play next. Step number 4, control playback. Use your mobile device as a remote to manage the queue, reorder songs, or remove tracks. Method number 3, use YouTube Premium. This is optional. If you subscribe to YouTube Premium, you can create playlists, build custom playlists for continuous playback and offline playback, download and play music offline on your mobile device. Important notes: queue persistence. The queue resets after closing the YouTube app on your TV. Live TV restriction. YouTube TV does not support song queuing. Use the YouTube app instead. Cross-device sync. Queues created on mobile sync automatically when casting to a TV.